So in this video, I want to demonstrate how we can improve the speed and reduce wait times when working with generative AI models. I've got a workflow here which can demonstrate the issue. A lot of the time we're relying on the GPU to do a lot of work, but with some of the larger models, we actually there's a bottleneck when it comes to storage. And I can demonstrate that using this workflow. We've got here some models that we're going to be using for this. And you can see I'm rendering some of these images. These are 1 megabyte in seconds, in 20 seconds. I can get it down under 20 seconds. So the bottleneck is not really so much the GPU with this one. The bottleneck is more the storage sometimes, especially if you're working with external storage. And this is where this particular technology really comes in. We're going to start the queue and it's actually doing it. You can see it's reading the model, and that can take a bit of time, especially if you have a very, very slow device that runs very, very slowly. With this one, it shouldn't take too long, and you can see it's now moved on to the second model, the clip model. These models are tens of gigabytes large, and it just chews through them very quickly, and that's the benefit of this. Now, if you're on a slow device, this can take minutes. We then move to the rendering on the GPU, and that doesn't take long at all with some of the newer models. So let me show you the technology that allows this. The technology is the Sabrent Rocket Nano Extreme. This is a very tiny device that will give you extreme performance, NVMe level performance as an external drive. And that's available whether you're using your desktop or your MacBook or you're using one of your laptops. So you can really, if you've got one of those MacBooks where it's 512 gigabytes of storage and you find that it's completely full long before you thought that would be the case, you can use this to avoid having to upgrade your laptop. So it has huge utility. Same for the Intel Evo laptops with the Thunderbolt connection. Now this is a premium product. It has got very, very high specs, aluminium, USB Type-C, fairly lightweight. And it's got the silicon cover just to give it a little bit of softness. Now, the size of it is incredible, just fits in your palm, and it is highly portable if you're using it. If you're using it on a desktop, you can use it with ComfyUI and then take your ComfyUI to another Windows computer and just use it because it's portable, it's fully portable. So you can use it to transfer your installations of ComfyUI from one PC to another. The performance is incredible. The USB connector, that's the blue connector, usually blue connector, that is 900 megabytes per second. That is faster than the SATA drive that I've got in my system, twice as fast as that by USB. And then Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4, insane speeds. These are NVMe level speeds, 2700 megabytes per second. So that's where the performance is coming in, and that's what we're using to get rid of the bottleneck. Now, because it's USB Type A or USB Type C, you can use it either with USB-A, the blue connectors, or the USB Type C, which also doubles as a Thunderbolt connector. Get those two mixed up. It doubles also as a Thunderbolt connector. And like I say, it works on your MacBook, it works on your laptop. And I think the greatest utility is on the laptop, because once you run out of space, you're kind of forced, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna upgrade the entire laptop? This will actually delay the need to upgrade your laptop if you run out of space on your laptop. And with the Intel motherboards, the desktop motherboards, some of those have got Thunderbolt as well. And obviously MacBook, the recent MacBooks, they all have Thunderbolt as well. Now, the only thing to mention about it, caveat, is that the cable connecting it is fairly short. So you need to take that into account. I'll have a link in the resources where if you're interested, you can find out more information. But I'm really, really glad I found out about this. And I'm glad also to be able to let you know about this as well, because I think it has huge utility. If you need it, it's a premium product. And if you need it, you really, really will be glad to get your hands on it.